Photoshop Miniature Composite Tutorial. This is a classic forced perspective or miniature composite. To achieve this look, you need two separate photos. One of the subject, the dog, and one of the people, ideally taken from a similar angle and lighting. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating this in Photoshop. Phase 1, Preparation. Open both images in Photoshop. Use the Move tool, V, to drag the image of the people onto the image of the dog. Right-click the People layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to resize them without losing quality. Phase 2, Scaling and Placement. Press Ctrl+T, Command+T on Mac for free transform. Place them on the ground or surface where the dog is sitting. Phase 3, Removing the background. Select the People layer. Simply click the Remove Background button. Photoshop uses AI to analyze the image and automatically creates a layer mask. Refine the edges. If the hair or clothes look jagged. Right-click the layer mask and choice Select and Mask. Use the Brush tool and Refine Edge brush to smooth out the edges. Phase 4, Making it realistic, the secret sauce. The biggest giveaway of a fake composite is the lack of shadows and mismatched colors. Add a contact shadow. Create a new layer under the people. Use a soft, black brush, B, with low opacity, around 20%, to paint a small, dark shadow right where their feet touch the stone. Add a drop shadow. Paint a slightly larger, softer shadow extending in the same direction as the dog's shadow. Phase 5, the one-click harmonize. In the latest versions of Photoshop, especially Photoshop 2025 and 2026, Adobe has made this even easier. Instead of digging through menus, a Harmonize button now appears directly in your workspace. Enable the contextual taskbar. If you don't see a floating bar under your image, go to the top menu and select Window Contextual Taskbar. This bar follows your actions and provides the buttons you need most. Select your subject. Click on the layer with the people you just cut out. Click Harmonize. Once the background is removed, a new Harmonize button will appear on that same floating taskbar. Click it. Choose a variation. Photoshop will generate 3 different variations of how the people should look in that lighting. Use the arrows on the taskbar or look in the Properties panel to click through the variations. Pick the one that looks the most natural. Phase 6. Matching the blur, depth of field. If the back of the dog is blurry, but the people are sharp, it won't look real. Select your Harmonize layer. Go to the top menu. Filter, Blur Gallery, Tilt Shift. Your screen will change to a specialized blur workspace. Position the blur lines. You will see several horizontal lines on your image. These represent the focus and blur zones. Adjust the blur amount to match the level of softness of the objects. Finalize. Click OK at the top of the screen. Phase 7. The color lookup adjustment is the cinematic step. Add the adjustment layer. Select Color Lookup. Click the drop-down next to 3D LUT file. Select a 3D LUT file from the list that matches your creative vision. This will help unify the colors and give your image a cinematic finish. Adjust the opacity. Often, a color lookup filter is too strong at 100%. Go to the Layers panel while the color lookup layer is selected. Lower the opacity to somewhere between 30% and 60%. This makes the effect look natural rather than over-edited. And there you have it. We've turned a simple photo into a creative miniature world. Now it's your turn to get creative. Don't forget to save your work and share your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.